Hey guys, and welcome to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to disconnect your phone number in Badoo. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now as you can see, this is the interface. Right now, what we need to do is go to Profile. At the bottom right, here is the profile icon, simply click on it. Once you click on Profile, something like this will open up. At the very top right, you will find the Edit Profile button. It's right next to Settings. Simply click on it. Once you've clicked on it, something like this will open up. Simply scroll down to the very end. And right here is your cell phone number. Now what you need to do is simply click on Edit. And this will open up. Well, do note that in case you do want to change your number, what you can do is simply disconnect and add your new number. Right now, we do want to disconnect. So let's click on Disconnect right now. It's gonna ask for our confirmation, so let's simply hit on confirm. And guys, that's it. Well, as you can see, the cell phone number has been disconnected. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative and helpful. For more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.